Hello, if you're wondering if you can zoom on Xiaomi Smart Camera C301, then the answer is no. It is not possible to zoom in using the lenses. You can actually zoom in the Xiaomi app, the Xiaomi Home app, but it is not the zoom of the camera lenses, but just zoom in the preview, let's say. So when you are saving a video that is recorded by the camera, this is not how it will look like. It is just for the preview only. So in order to do that, in order to preview, or actually to use the zoom in the preview, what you can do is simply use this typical zoom in and zoom out gesture. Over here you can also see the zoom itself, how it looks like. I mean, what is the current zoom? But like I said, this is just for the preview, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!